Yes, alright guys, today let's have a look on how let's download Java and see how we can install it. Just go to Google and type in Java JDK. I'll be taken to the Java site, the first one. Select the first option and then you'll be taken to the site where you can download Java. So once you scroll down, let's take an example on how we can download and install Java on Windows. But it's the same process you can use to install on Linux, on Mac. So you will see options of Mac, Linux, Windows. So let's select Windows because we want to see how we can install Java on Windows. So choose the 64 installer and then select download. It will begin to be downloaded. Then from that you can, after the download, just press to install, then next to install. We see that the installation process is taking place. So once everything is done, once it's done installing, you will need to set Java home. To set its path, just go to files in your computer, program files, and select in the bin. So select that link at the top and copy. So just go to the start and search for the environment, type env environment and then select the path, edit, and then just click new, add new, paste the link. I have already pasted it here. So from that I will just press OK. Just come down here, press edit. Just type this word in capital letter, Java home, variable name, and then paste the link again here, variable value, and then press OK. Once everything is done, so press OK, everything OK. So I wish the Java is now set up properly, plus the path plus the installation. So let's come and check and see which version of Java has been installed. cmd command prompt. Here is the command prompt. Let's check for Java version and see whether it's installed. Java -- version, and press enter. We see that Java is now installed and installed very well. So that was the process and that will guide you well. Thanks for watching. See you then in the next video. Make sure you hit that notification bell and subscribe so that you don't miss any useful content.